is Charu, and I am today covering the topic under Indian Contracts Act 1872. And this topic is relevant as regards UGC-NET and other law competitive exams. Today we will be talking about Section 10 Indian Contract Act 1872, Essentials of a Valid Contract. When we talk about a contract, we talk about agreement in essentiality. So, and valid essential of a contract is an agreement in itself which follows the principle of consensus ad idem, which basically means agreeing to the same thing in the same sense. Secondly, free consent is important. Consent being given for the contract is not only the necessary condition, the consent should be free and should not be influenced by coercion or misrepresentation or undue influence. The third aspect is competency of the parties, which is covered under Section 11 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, which basically talks about whether every person can enter into a contract if that person is of sound mind, is not disqualified by law, and is not a minor. Fourthly, lawful object and lawful consideration. These two aspects are covered in Section 23 and 24 respectively, and which basically talk about that the object and the consideration for the contract should be lawful. And lastly, the agreement should not have been expressly declared to be void. There are certain agreements which are void expressly as per Indian Contract Act, and for an agreement to be a contract, it should not be expressly void. Although this section in itself talks about the essentials of a valid contract, but this is not exhaustive. Intention to create a legal relationship is also a very important essential with respect to formation of a contract. Thank you.